I would want to short Reliance Capital in the cash segment at 364 levels. I would hold these short positions so initiated with a stop loss at 367.5, expecting to book profits at 358 or end of the session, whichever comes first. My second trade would be a short again, this time in Tata Motors, which I would want to short at 382 levels. I would hold these short positions with a stop loss at 385 and expect to book profits at 375 or end of the session, whichever comes first.
Today I would stick with two stocks both on the short side, starting with Axis Bank. It's got tired in the upper regions from 1000 to 1300 zones. It is a reactive up move, which basically means it's gone up, but gone up to come down. And Axis Bank can actually slide down to levels closer to 1115. I would have a stop about 1210 on Axis Bank and trade the short side. The second stock that looks good to me for shorting is Mahindra & Mahindra. It may be difficult to short, but I think it's a good short. It can slide down to levels close to 880, stop about 910, because it's heading back into a cluster, but it can still go down to levels closer to 880.
In the future space, I would want to short the November futures of Bharat Petroleum, BPCL, at 360 levels, holding these short positions with a stop loss at 363 and expecting to book profits at 352 or end of the session, whichever comes first. A word of caution here, being a weekend session, I would advocate initiating all fresh trades on lower than average exposure levels, because volatility might just spike higher, especially in the second half of the session.
I would take a balanced approach. I would take a one buy and a one sell. The first sell is in United Spirits with a stop loss of 2450, target of 2300. A buy in Jubilant Life Sciences, stop loss of 105, target of 128. And for F&O traders, I would recommend a sell in BHEL November futures, stop loss of 134, target of 124.
My first trading idea is sell Nifty futures with a price target of 6100 and keeping a stop loss of 6300. Nifty has a strong resistance at around 6350 levels, and it is finding it difficult to surpass this level. It is clearly a sell on rise market, and in last two to three trading sessions we have seen a long unwinding in Nifty. If you look at FI's data, they are net sellers in Nifty, and I think for a short term the view is bearish for a price target of 6100. So we may initiate a sell position in Nifty for a price target of 6100, keeping a stop loss of 6300. My second idea is sell SBI with a price target of 1700 and a stop loss is 1780. Technically the stock is in an overbought zone and all technical parameters are on a sell side. If you look at derivatives data, long unwinding has been seen with decrease in open interest. I think profit booking may continue, and we may see a levels of around 1700 in coming 2 to 3 trading sessions.